Hi guys, I 3D printed Spencer Hunt's Dragster rubber band powered car, and Doc Inc. wanted to know if we could catapult launch it rather than wrap the rubber band around the back axle. Now I put a hook on there and I've actually turned it over to run it that way up, so we've got a little bit more clearance underneath so that I can use the same rubber band and the same bit of cotton, but hook it onto that hook, and I shall tape the rubber band to the floor so we can use that as our slingshot or catapult launch. So I'll do that and we'll give it a try. Right, so I've got masking tape holding the rubber band to the floor. I've actually used a second rubber band just so that I can tape it to the floor and still use this one to stretch. That probably doesn't make sense, but honest, it seemed like a good idea. Right, we'll hook that on and give it a try. Releasing it's going to be a bit of a problem. It looks like I still need rubber bands on the wheels to give it some grip. Well, we just did the full length of the kitchen. So we'll put the camera down there and see if we can possibly hit it. Very unlikely, but we'll give it a try. Well, that works. Rubber band broke, so that's why we've got a pink one there now. And I had to replace the rubber bands on the back wheels because they were too loose. I managed to find a couple of tighter ones because they were coming off on the way down the run. But yeah, that works. So thanks to Doc Inc. for the suggestion, and thanks to Spencer for the design. Catapult launch dragster, or slingshot launch, depending on which side of the ocean you live. Just a close-up of that hook. Just a piece of bent paperclip